Hello everyone, thanks for clicking. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I teach business owners how to use YouTube, LinkedIn and Twitter for the benefit of their B2B business. This channel is for you if you want to use the latest strategies to boost engagement and lead generation for your business on LinkedIn, YouTube and Twitter. I make videos that offer a fresh perspective and actionable tips that you can implement straight away to benefit your B2B business. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications. If you want to review existing videos, there's a number of playlists that I've created that will help you get started. There's LinkedIn advice for B2B businesses. Also, your content and social media questions answered. Also, reviews of business products and services. So I look forward to you becoming a member of my community and speaking to you through the videos and contact pages. Thanks for subscribing. Speak soon. Bye-bye.